Hey YouTube, it's Kara. Alright, so I have a book review for you today. I am reviewing Perfect Chemistry by Simone Eccles. I'm not sure if you pronounce it Eccles or Elcles. I always pronounce it Elcles, but then I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, so if you know, please let me know. But okay, so I picked this book up because, as you know, I went to the Austin Teen Book Festival, and Simone was going to be there, and I hadn't read her book yet, so I decided to try to read it before I got there, and I didn't have time. So I read half of it before I got there, and while I was there, I read more. But I did get to meet her, and she did get to sign my book, and I will show you. She said, Kara, it was awesome meeting you. Always follow your dreams. Heart, Simone. So I thought that was really cool. I have never before been to a book signing kind of thing, and this is my first time. So I'm going to be posting a video about all the authors that were there, and I'll show you all the books that got signed and my experiences. But not in this video. This is a review video. So here I go. This book, before I start, was really, really good. I think I'm going to give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. It was so romantic. Okay, so this book is about a cheerleader girl named Brittany and a gang member named Alex. And they're both these two people on the cover who are forced to be lab partners in chemistry and end up falling for each other. So that's the basic premise of the book. And, you know, I was going into this book thinking this is going to be the typical falling in love kind of deal, and it really pleasantly surprised me. It was very well written and very three-dimensional, because you know how sometimes the books that you read about love are very two-dimensional. They meet, they like each other, you know, just that's pretty much it. There in some of the books there isn't a lot of building on the relationship, but in this book, I mean, I felt like I was really in the relationship, and that Alex was really, you know, that awesome. Which, if you're a boy, then Brittany is that awesome. But I just, it was so believable. It was very believable. The characters were great. Like I said, very believable scenarios and characters, and very vivid descriptions on how their personalities are, and just wonderful, wonderful character building. The plot was very good. I definitely liked some parts that I can't mention because if you haven't read the book, I can't mention them. But if you have read the book, the part that is so, the ending part was really amazing. Oh my gosh, just the entire last 50 to 100 pages, could not put it down. It was so good. But so I would definitely recommend this book to all of your girlfriends. I'm pretty sure no guy is going to want to read this, but I could be wrong. I hope I am wrong, because I think guys kind of get the short end of the stick when it comes to book selections right now, but that's just my opinion. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I thought this was an amazing book. I thought that the characters were extremely well developed and that the story was very fast paced and very enjoyable, and I recommend it to anybody who likes to curl up in a snuggie and kind of feels maybe a little lonely on a Friday night. Definitely read this book because you won't feel like that anymore. It is very, very good. Alright. Oh, and before I go, there's a second one, Rules of Attraction, and a third one that just came out. I don't remember the name of it. That's really sad. Chain Reaction, that's it. So it is the Perfect Chemistry series, Perfect Chemistry, Rules of Attraction, and Chain Reaction. And they all have people on the cover that look like they're about to make out, which is fine with me. I don't care. Anyway, alright, bye!